From clumsy lies to the overpowering smell of alcohol to fierce resistance, every sign pointed to one undeniable truth about her.
You're driving way over the speed limit. I'm not driving. I know you're not. It's that. But you just told me no.
No, I said I will do them.
You just told me no.
No, I said I can't. No.
Night of February 16th, 2025. Inside a patrol car, Officer Miller is on traffic duty when suddenly, a white 2023 Kia SUV speeds past, tearing through the quiet night. The number is shocking. 78 miles per hour, that's 125 kilometers per hour, in a zone with a speed limit of only 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. This is no ordinary traffic violation. It's reckless driving that endangers the driver's life and everyone else on the road.
Oh, really?
Yes. So right now I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle. Do you have a driver's license? Registration and proof of insurance?
Yes, I do.
And you clearly smell of alcohol. Go for it. See my driver's license.
The woman behind the wheel speaks hesitantly, her eyes glazed over. A strong smell of alcohol fills the air, unmistakable evidence. She claims to live in Tampa, hundreds of miles away, but her story quickly falls apart. Officer Miller asks to see her driver's license and vehicle registration. That's when everything unravels.
Thought we had a 1031 going on. If you're 50, I flipped around and all of a sudden she bolted. Yeah, I've asked you for your registration for insurance.
How did I bolt?
Because when I turned around, you were doing 50 mile an hour when I turned around, and then you were gone. Straight up just gone.
Well, honestly, I don't live here. I live in Fud, so I don't know where.
And you're slurring your speech, you smell of alcohol. Step out of the vehicle.
She admitted to having left her ID and wallet at a bar earlier. Through the law enforcement database, officers discovered she had multiple prior traffic violations.
What's going on? What are you guys doing? You guys are driving way over the speed limit.
I'm not driving.
I know you're not. What's that in your hand?
For a bottle of lotion, I guess I got out here.
No, dude. I've asked for the registration proof of insurance like 3 times. Okay. So where are you guys heading to?
I'm heading to my parents' house in Alligator Lake.
Where y'all come from? Alligator Lake is way over there.
I know. But I just had corneal transplant in my eye, so it's really hard for me to see. It's left eye,
So that doesn't. If you can't drive at night, you shouldn't be driving at night.
I know.
I'm happy to send a letter to the DMV to take away your license. If you can't drive at night, you should not be driving.
I know, but I can't help my situation.
So you smell of alcohol.
Outside the vehicle, signs of intoxication become more obvious. She staggers and slurs her words. Officer Miller prepares to conduct sobriety tests on the spot.
And when I turned around, you were gone.
I have no idea.
My car is recording at 80 miles an hour trying to catch you.
I'm so sorry because I have no idea.
So it doesn't matter at this point. So now I'm going to ask you to do sobriety exercises.
Okay, I can't do whatever you're going to pull out with your flashlight. I can't do that with my eye. I can't.
Why not?
I just had a corneal transplant. Like,
Okay.
what do you not understand?
So are you refusing to? There's more than just the eye.
No, there's not. You cannot do that.
You can just go to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail. Stop! I'm not going to jail. Stop!
Stop!
Stop! Are you kidding me? Stop! Stop! I won't do it. What?
Put your arms back.
I won't do anything. Stop!
Just relax.
I just got my eye.
And I said there's more exercises than your eyes. And you said no. Clearly.
No, I won't
Don't move
do
your
it.
arms.
I'll do it. I will do whatever you want.
Just calm down.
Just relax for a second. Relax. You're in this position because you want to be.
No, I don't. I won't cooperate. I'm just saying I can't do
speech.
flashlight.
And I said there's more
I'm
exercises.
not.
And I said there's more exercises.
Okay, and I will do
You
them.
just told me no.
No, I said I will do them.
You just
But
told me no.
No,
It's
I
recorded
said
right
I
here.
can. No, I cannot do anything with flashlight. I said
Stop.
Tell me your situation.
What's my situation?
this is ridiculous.
What?
This is ridiculous.
Because she's resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I said I cannot do anything with my eyes.
Back in the car.
I just got a corneal transplant. Like, are you out of your f***ing mind?
Ma'am, you said that, and I said okay.
No.
I
And I said
understand that.
I would
And then
say
I said
I
there's
would
more
do everything.
And then
I would
said
do
there's more
everything.
exercises.
I said I would do it, and now you slam into my f***ing car?
Well, we tried to put this out here.
Why?
You didn't. Because you said no.
No, I said I
said
will
no.
do everything I will, but I cannot with flashlights to my eyeballs.
And I said there's more exercises.
Okay, and I said I would do it.
We're
Now,
not
no,
arguing
no,
about
no.
this.
I would do it.
All
And
right,
now
so-
you're having hiccups. Please take me out.
No.
Please.
No. Calm down.
This is so f***ing bizarre.
So, let's look at me.
I mean, I'll do anything. Like, why?
So calm down and take a deep breath, all right?
Okay, but like, I'm just telling you, do anything with
And I
flashlights in
understand
my
that. You
eyes.
explained that to me, and I said, okay.
And
there's
I
more
said I will
exercises.
do that.
Hold on. I said there's exercises.
And
You
I said I would do
you,
that.
No, you said no.
No, I said I would
You
do
said-
that. I would
clearly
say
you said
no. No, I said a no to my eyeballs because it is gonna hurt my eyeballs.
Okay, and I
It's gonna
understand
be
that.
a deterioration.
So, at this time, I'm requesting a voluntary breath sample. It's 100% up to you. Man, I'm talking to you. If you don't want to talk to me, you're just going to go to jail. Get charged with the DUI refusal if you don't want to talk. Are you going to talk?
You already read your reply?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, dude, how's that? The guy's done his job.
So this is what he's at?
So I'm trying
He's
to
not
ask
really
you.
asked me anything, but
I just-
that's my car.
I just asked you.
Are you gonna do any fucking damage to my
There's no
car?
damage to your car. I just asked you, will you give a voluntary breath sample? It's yes or no. It's 100% up to you.
Why? When you guys are just straight.
I didn't come here to take you to jail. That's not.
Yeah, pretty much
No,
you did.
that's not at all why I came
All I
here.
want to do is go back to my house. Not even
Can I explain something
what.
to you? So, he's already explained to you that you were doing 80 something.
I have no idea. I'm not from around here.
You were doing 80 something in 45. Okay? So that's the person. Okay? You are slurring your words. Your eyes are bloodshot.
How do you know my eyes?
I'm looking at it.
I have one contact in my eye and one contact not in my
Are
eye.
you
So,
going to let me finish?
no, you cannot say that my eyes are bloodshot because
Let me read her reply consent quick. So,
Listen to him.
you gotta look at me. Ma'am,
no, I'm good. Agree with whatever you have to say.
no, so you're gonna look at me while I do this.
No.
Absolutely. Or you'll have a resisting charge on top of a DUI.
Okay,
You wanna keep tracking him
go on, baby.
All right.
Karen, go on. Whatever you feel is needed.
I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content and or the presence of chemical or controlled substances. I'm requesting you submit to a test of breath. Will you test? Yes or no?
Nope.
Okay. If you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusal To submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be
I
committing
guess I'll do a
misdemeanor in
I have a
addition to
beer.
another penalties which can be imposed. Do you understand what I've just read to you?
Yes, I do.
Still refuse to submit to the test.
Can you undo this and I'll do a breathalyzer?
Do you still refuse to submit to the test? Yes or no?
No, I'll do one, but will you
So
undo
the breathalyzer
this?
is at the jail.
At the jail.
Yes, I have breathalyzers in our car.
Can you just please let me go home?
No, you're drunk. I'm not letting you drive drunk.
So I'll take an
You're in
Uber
Alligator
here.
Lake, which is way over. You're in Lake City. We don't have Ubers, hardly ever.
No, you do.
Hardly ever.
I guarantee you.
Do you guys mind transporting?
You tell me to stay right here.
Do you guys mind transporting? I got the.
With no room left for denial, the officers were forced to act. The woman began to struggle violently. Her initial cooperation completely vanished, replaced by fierce resistance as she started screaming and hurling insults. While being escorted to the patrol car, she continues to shout and curse at the officers. Meanwhile, another officer approaches a man sitting in the passenger seat who also appears intoxicated and gives incoherent answers. The woman is charged with 2 offenses: driving under the influence, DUI, and resisting arrest without injury. Driving under the influence, DUI, in Illinois is classified as a felony, carrying a prison sentence of 1 to 3 years and fines of up to $25,000. More severe cases, such as causing a fatal accident or multiple repeat offenses, can be elevated to a Class 3 felony, with prison terms of up to 7 years or more. What do you think about how this case was handled? Leave your comments below. If you see this as a costly lesson about the dangers of drinking and driving, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming real-life cases.